Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and on this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Frankie-F1N, who says to us, "Aloha, Mr. White." I believe the proper response is "Aloha to you." Am I incorrect? I may be incorrect. I do not know the language. I apologize. Frankie goes on, "Mahalo for all you do. Least I could do. I am a pro se here, all the way on the other side of the pond, and awaiting the administrative judge's response to my opposition to a motion for summary judgment. I did not have the language, the experience, or the wherewithal, and resorted to AI, artificial intelligence, to assist in the final draft after countless hours in the research. I almost gave up, however. I persevered. Once again, thank you for all you do." Frankie, that's amazing. Whatever keeps you in the fight is amazing. I love that you are persevering. I love, prefer you have representation. Strongly prefer you have representation, but I hear you, something happened. You couldn't get representation for whatever reason. So if this keeps you in the fight, amazing. Quick note. In my limited experience, watching associates play around with AI for drafting purposes, let me say that I've never seen AI produce, and you may be better with AI than our associates are. Maybe you're an AI, perhaps you're an AI engineer. Perhaps you know the ins and outs of AI, right? But as we experiment with AI, purely for science purposes, not using it in our practice in any way, and as we talk to other firms who are having issues with AI, I'm aware of at least one firm who's had an issue where a young associate was trying to use AI to draft her pleadings, right? Her motions. Let me say this. I have never seen AI produce a complex legal motion correctly. Not once. I have never seen it accurately reflect the case law to the citation. I've never seen it go with the most up-to-date precedent on a given issue. Cases are generally cited for as holding things that they do not actually hold. So Frankie, I'm glad you're still in the fight, and I hope that you are a talented AI engineer, AI user, a sophisticated AI not? Artificial intelligence. Well, influencer is the wrong word. Some fantastic, sophisticated user of artificial intelligence. My fear here is, and the reason I make this video is that I just wanted you to know, I think it's worth saying as the sun comes out, that reading your message, I'm happy you're in the fight, but it chills me a little bit because I'm afraid about what you filed. So check what you filed to make sure the AI didn't do you dirty. That's all I'm saying. I want you to have every chance to succeed, and AI can, at this stage, the current generations that I'm able to lay my hands on, appears to not produce good and meritorious legal arguments ever, as far as I can tell. So I'm sure it's coming. I'm sure it'll be there. I'm sure that ability will be something that AI gains in the next 3 to 5 years. But just check your papers now. Make sure, and also I like that you said that it's the last draft. So maybe you did the research and then you had it compile the research for you. That might be a better approach. That might be something I discussed with the people playing with AI here. But I'm just a little afraid for you, and I want you to give it a check through and make sure it's good, because I really want you to get paid. I want you to win. I want you to succeed in your litigation. All right. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share the channel so it will grow. Take care.